Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy A14. And to do this you need to open a Google Play Store. Inside find app called Microsoft Edge. Select it, then click on the install. When it's ready, you can open the app. Inside, sign in to turn on synchronization. If you don't want it, then skip it by clicking on sign in later. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And now you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.